We're at Fairview Cemetery in Vincennes, Indiana, taking a look at the Vollmer Mausoleum. It says 1917 Vollmer pillars here on the outside, and there are four people laid to rest here from what we can see. See if I can get some pictures of the inside. But we've got Julia Vollmer, 1860 to 1937. William Vollmer, 1856 to 1917. And here on the other side we have Ada Schaller, 1885 to 1958, and Oscar Vollmer, 1896 to 1901, looks like. And of course you can see the stained glass with the V through the back. The sun's helping us with that. Let's just come around. The protective plastic over the windows. You can see some bees have been nesting. Come around the other side. So this is the Vollmer Mausoleum at Fairview Cemetery, Vincennes, Indiana. Thanks for watching.